In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to replace the Human Touch AcuTouch 6.1 power panel. The first thing we're going to do is power off the chair, then unplug it. First thing we're going to do is use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the two screws that secure the rear plastic shroud. Okay, once that's loose, then we can need a paper clip in order to open the zipper that secures the upholstery that's attached to that shroud to the upholstery that's on the chair. That zipper doesn't have a zipper pull, so we need to use a paper clip instead. Okay, once that's detached, we can move that rear shroud from the chair. Next, we'll use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the three screws that secure the power panel. And we can lift that panel out of the chair then. Next, we need to disconnect the power panel connector. That's the white connector on the left there. And use a screwdriver to disconnect the ground screw. And we can lift that power cable out of the strain relief there and remove the power panel from the chair. To install the new power panel then, we can place it into position with the power cable positioned in the strain relief. Make sure that's positioned solidly in that slot there. And we can thread the ground screw back along the white PCB box and reattach it using the screw you removed earlier. Next, we can reconnect the connector. Now we're ready to place the power panel itself into position. Flush with slide it down there into the slot so it's flush with the rear of the chair. It kind of snaps into position there. And we can replace the 3 screws to secure it. Now we're ready to replace the rear shroud. To do this, we need to slide these tabs here into these slots on each side. You can see he's aligning these with his fingers. Okay, and you can confirm also that you're aligned by making sure the screw holes are aligned. Once they are, we can replace the 2 screws. And finally, we can use our paper clip to close the zippers on the upholstery. Okay, then we can plug in the chair, power it on, and confirm that it's working properly.